Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 KTM RC390. This lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 300 miles. Fantastic showroom condition, striking orange and black paint scheme. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for only $54.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.